Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Frances and I am your tech savvy teacher. Today I am going to introduce you to a new website called Booklet. You can get to it by typing blooket.com. This website contains a lot of resources for gamified learning. You are able to log in with your Google account, and then you're ready to go. So this is just your little tour, how it's designed for teachers, how it focuses on students' learning, and how to use it. So now you can create your own sets of questions. You could also find different sets of questions. So if we go to Discover Sets, we can type in what we're looking for. So say we're looking for animals. It will show you all of the different ones that are here for animals. It'll show you how many questions they have. And then you can even click in and look at the different questions it will be asking. So say I like this one that's already made. I can host this and I can start a game with my students. And now for the sake, I'm just going to make it a classic game, which looks a lot like Kahoot. I can host the game. I can choose to randomize the order of questions. I could use random names, the number of questions. I click host now. And now it's all ready to host. So I give my students this code and they could start to play. You could also copy the join information and send it out to students. You could turn off the volume, so if you're presenting while you're doing this, you don't have to have the volume on, and it'll tell you how many players you have. So I'm going to, so we could see the student size. So now I am joining the game. I am putting my nickname in. And so the students will get to pick an animal to represent them. Now the host can start the game. So now I go back to the student size and it tells me to get ready. What animal is this? I pick the animal and it tells me whether I got it correct or incorrect. Now when all of your students are here, you will see all of your students listed. And it allows the teacher to control the pace of the game. So now if I want to go right ahead now, I could have it go right ahead and be ready for the next question. So this is one way to play. So now say you want to go and, it's prompting me to log in again, I apologize. So now say you want to create your own set because you want something specific to your curriculum. You can upload a cover image to your deck and add a description. So say I want to do science, or well, let's say plants. So now I could use the image gallery, I could upload a URL, so I could choose. So now you could search for plants and pick one of their cover photos already. You could also upload your own. And now you're ready to create your set. So now you add a question. So what part of the plant is seen in this photo? So now I look for a photo that fits. I type in the answers. I check which answer is right. I give a time limit, which is how long you want your students to be able to answer, and you could go up and down based on your students' needs. And then I save the question. And so all of your questions that you add will be here. You can also import questions by searching Quizlet and looking for different things to search. So I could look up parts of plants and I could see that somebody made something that I might want to use, but this might be too high for my students. So I could continue looking to see if there is anything that is appropriate. And so this might work. So I might be able to click here and look at some of the information. No, this doesn't work. So you could really go back and forth to look at stuff to add to your booklet instead of doing it by yourself. When you go to export somebody else's, we're going to go to the three dots. So if we go into, for example, you're going to go to these three dots, and if you click export, which you don't, you'll be able to bring them back into your deck. Not sure why that one did not have an export option. You can also paste and create text from questions to create your own questions. So when you're done, you click Save Set and your set is ready to go. You could always edit it and go back into it. You could delete it. You could change the settings, and you could host it solo for asynchronous, or you could have a host where you're going to do it live. So this was a quick little tutorial on Booklet. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a good day. Bye.